Okay, this is the Trossen robotic arm. I'm just servo. I'm just going to make the servo move. That's the first thing I want to do when I get something like this. I have a Python program that was taken from the PY-POT library. Their tutorial. I cut it apart, made it real simple. You see where the switch setting is on my USB 2 Dynamixel here. Okay, I've got it connected to a power supply here, and I'm just going to make this move. That's all I want to do is make this move. So I'm just going to hit return, and then it's going to, so it's connected. Okay, and it's going to go. It's just a little bit slow. There it goes. Okay, and the next part of the video, I will show the code and how and everything like that. Okay, to make this work, you're going to need to install Python, of course, but I use pip. I already have pip installed to install PY-POT on my Mac. I also have it installed on my Nook i7 with Ubuntu 14.04, and it works just fine. The other libraries you'll potentially need is Python, PySerial, Numby. I don't think you need the other two, but I installed them all because what the heck. Okay, the code, and I keep on getting this cut off when I put it in here, so I'm going to move it up and down a couple times. You know, you have to import these following tools here, and the code, the top part of it's mostly window dressing, but I look for the port, I find the port, which is a snippet that I took from the PY-POT's tutorial, okay, and then I just basically make DXL_IO of type PyPot Dynamixel DXIIO with the port, okay, and then I have to you have to enable the torques. You have to set the moving speed. I set this moving speed slow, and then I just set the position of the one servo I have attached to 45 degrees, and that's set right here, and that's all the program does. And you saw the program work. I will next do the same thing, and I want to move this up and down so you see all the code to make sure you got all the code in the window at some point. I'm going to do the next snippet on with a robotic arm. Basically the same type of code, but move the robotic arm, move all the joints.